The Gujarat government on Tuesday tabled the Gujarat Uniform Civil Code Bill 2026 in the Assembly, proposing a common legal framework to govern marriage, divorce, succession and live-in relationships, irrespective of religion. The bill was tabled by Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel a week after a state-appointed panel submitted its final report on the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code. If passed, Gujarat will become the second state in the country after Uttarakhand to enact a Uniform Civil Code. Uttarakhand had passed the Uniform Civil Code Bill 2024 in February. Titled Gujarat Uniform Civil Code 2026, the proposed law will extend to the entire state and also apply to residents of Gujarat living outside its territorial limits. However, the bill will not apply to members of scheduled tribes and certain groups whose customary rights are protected under the Constitution. According to the objects and reasons statement, the bill aims to create a uniform legal framework. It includes provisions for the registration of live-in relationships and their termination through a formal declaration. The proposed legislation also prohibits bigamy, stating that a marriage will be considered legally valid only if neither party has a living spouse at the time the marriage is formalized. Meanwhile, in Chhattisgarh, the Assembly passed the Chhattisgarh Dharm Swatantriya Vidheyak 2026 on March 19, aimed at preventing religious conversations through force, inducement, fraud, or misrepresentation. The bill includes provisions such as life imprisonment in cases of mass conversation. The bill was tabled in the House by Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Sharma and was passed amid a boycott by legislators of the Indian National Congress, citing alleged incidents of forced religious conversations in Narayanpur and Kanker district in the Bastar region. The Deputy Chief Minister stated that the government does not intend to restrict voluntary conversations but aims to prevent forced conversations. The Gujarat government's move to introduce the Uniform Civil Code Bill aims to create a common legal framework, while Chhattisgarh's anti-conversation law focuses on preventing forced religious conversations. Both developments mark significant legislative steps with potential social and political implications.